Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make cards with clay. First, let's gather our essential materials. You'll need air-dry clay, a rolling pin, and a craft knife for precise cuts. Don't forget a non-stick mat or parchment paper to protect your work surface. Having these items ready ensures a smooth and enjoyable crafting experience. We'll also consider the size and shape of your card, perhaps a standard 4x6-inch rectangle or a unique circular design. Now, let's move on to shaping your clay card base. Begin by rolling out your air-dry clay evenly. Aim for a thickness of about 1/8 inch, which provides good durability without being too heavy. Next, use a template or a ruler and craft knife to cut out your desired card shape. A 4x6-inch rectangle is a popular choice. Finally, gently smooth any rough edges with your fingers or a slightly damp sponge for a polished finish. With your base shaped, it's time for the fun part, decorating. You can add intricate details using small pieces of clay to create raised designs, or use texture tools to emboss patterns directly onto the surface. Consider sculpting tiny flowers, leaves, or even a miniature animal to adorn your card. Once your masterpiece is complete, it's crucial to let it dry thoroughly. This usually takes at least 24 hours, depending on the clay's thickness and humidity. For the final touches, once your clay card is completely dry and hardened, you can add color. Use acrylic paints to bring your designs to life with vibrant hues. After the paint dries, apply a clear sealant. This step is vital as it protects the surface from moisture and wear, ensuring your card lasts for a long time. You can then attach a small stand for display or a magnet to the back, making it a perfect, personalized gift.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.